and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing a really fun product. It is the Lakme Rose Powder, and I'm also going to show you the right way to use it. So if you're interested, keep watching the video. Hi all, so today I'm going to be reviewing one of the most commonly used makeup product, which is a loose powder. And today I have with me a product which has been tested for time, and it is like the most basic thing that anyone can ever have in their makeup bags. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lakme Rose Powder. Ta-da! So this is the product. So before I get into the product really, what is this? So this is a loose powder. It's a very basic loose powder for anybody who is like a beginner in makeup and does not want to invest too much into compacts or any other high-end loose powder. So if you're just a beginner and you just want that little bit of a powder effect to your makeup everyday routine, then this is what you probably should be buying. So this variant comes in two shades. The one I have here is soft pink and warm pink. The soft pink one is for say lighter tones. So as you can see, the box is pretty basic. It is like a screw box. It's got a so for its security, so the lid just doesn't pop out like that. And it's got a basic puff in it. It's pretty basic. I suggest, it's quite flimsy actually, so I suggest you can use your own. And it's got this lid with 5 holes, in minute holes in it, if you can see. So this is where the if you tap, I hope you can see the yeah, so this is how the powder is gonna come out like any other loose powder, and that is where you take the powder from to use. So this is about the packaging and all. And the fragrance, it's called rose powder for a reason, because it has beautiful rose, mild rose fragrance, and it really is soothing. I remember I have grown up with this powder and it is amazing. I love it. So I'm just gonna swatch the powder for the formula. So this is the swatch, and so if you see, the powder is quite chalky on its first application, but when you start blending it with a blending tool or a brush, then you will see that it easily blends into the skin, leaving it it's got a very nice matte finish. So it doesn't have shimmer or anything, which is good, because then you can daily use the powder without feeling too much. And it's got a decent staying power, I should say, because it stays around 2-3 hours on my skin. I have a combination skin. I have an extremely oily T-zone, but it does stay for 2-3 hours, after which I have to touch up on my powder. And the only downside is, if you end up sweating or being into really warm environment, this may not be your best friend, because this powder turns chalky as it sets into the creases, as you wherever you tend to perspire, or wherever you sweat. So it kind of settles into the creases, which is really not a great thing. And so I think, leaving that part aside, I think it is a decent product. For Lakme to come up with loose powder, which is at just ₹160, I think it is a great bet. And I think it is good for somebody who's looking for pretty basic makeup and is not really looking at something really long lasting, but is looking at something which probably just like a little balancing or giving a mattifying effect to your general T-zone. I think it is a pretty decent product there. And the rose fragrance, come on, there have been so many makeup products, but the rose fragrance of this rose powder is just to die for. I have literally bought this product just for its fragrance. So yeah, but that's me. But you could, I suggest, I mean, it really is some, you should really go for it if you are thinking of buying your first loose powder, and you just want to, you know, occasionally use it, or use it daily, but you know, or just in some places, like a really basic thing without a full makeup on. I think it is a great bet. So it is about a 7 on 10 from me. And that's about it about the Lakme Rose Powder from me. And see you on more such reviews on Pracky Reviews. And let me know what you feel. And please, please, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you. Bye bye.